I knew about Solahart from when I was a kid with their roof hot water systems and stuff like that. My first house, I was getting electricity bills of about $800 a quarter. We put 12 kilowatts on and electricity bills dropped to $300 a quarter, $350 a quarter. This house here, we've just put solar on it. Our electricity bills are only about $200 a month, less than $200 a month. We've got our pool, we've got a heat pump for our pool. You try to use the things that consume a lot of electricity during the day where realistically it's free, it's coming off your roof. When Eric come, he was more expensive than everyone else, but he made me feel a lot more comfortable and explain things in a way that was easy to digest and understand it. My father-in-law was talking to me about it and I talked him into doing it and he put a 6.5 kilowatt in. It's paid for itself now. My next door neighbour seen it in our last place as well, asked me all about it, I showed him, they put it on. My daughter's put it on, my son's put it on, and another friend that we know in here has put it on just recently as well. If you have something go wrong, after 5 years or 7 years, that company might not be there, whereas Solahart will be there. We got smart with Solahart.